Hello guys, welcome back to the universe of tech. In this tutorial, we will learn about singly linked list. Singly linked list is a chain of node. It has two fields. First one is data field. Next is link field. Last node of reference stores as a null. Starting point of node is a head. Now create a singly linked list in Python. First step is create the nodes. Create a node. Create the node. This has a two field. One is data field, another one is link field. To create the node, defining a class keyword. The class name is node. In the class node, I take the initialize method. Each node contains a two field, that is data field and link field. Self as a parameter. Init is a special method. Sometimes it's called as a class constructor. It's also called as a initialization method. Init method used to initialize the new nodes of the class. Next, self and data as the argument. Self dot data is equals to data. First field is data field. Next, self dot reference is equals to none. None is the keyword. It is for the empty value. This is the data field. This is the none or null. Next, I create a node. Node 1 is equals to node 10. The reference will be null. Print. Next, linked list is nothing but a chain of nodes. Each node is contains the reference to the next node. We need to create another class linked list. Link the class. Self as the parameter. Self as the parameter. Self dot head is equals to none. That means we don't have any nodes. In the singly linked list, there are three operations. First one is insertion, next one is deletion, and next one is traversal. In insertion operation, there are three types: insertion at beginning, insertion at end, and insertion at end. This is the insertion operation, and also same as the remove method. Remove at beginning, remove at end, remove at particular position. The third was traversal. Traversing is traverse the each node and print the data. In the the linked list is empty or not. If it is not empty, print a message linked list empty. If it is not empty, print a line. df name as print linked list self. If self dot head print linked list is empty. Linked list is empty. This is the first condition. Otherwise, print each node, go through the each node and print the data. I take the variables called n. N is equal to self dot head is equal to self dot head. This is the reference. Print n dot data. Next, n is equals to, go to the next row. I take n is equals to n dot reference. Using a while loop, while n is not none, print n dot data. Next, n is equals to n dot reference. This is the method for traversing the linked list. L1 is equals to linked list ll1 dot print ll. Next, I run this. It shows linked list is empty messages. This is the empty linked list. So it shows the linked list is empty. This is about how we can traverse the linked list. Next, we move on to the how to add an element at the beginning of the singly linked list. First, I need to create a node. Insert at begin follows these steps. First, we need to create a node. Next, new node is points to the first node in the singly linked list. Next, head is points to the new node. Next change the new node reference to the first node. This is all about the how to perform singly linked list operation insert at beginning of the single linked list. First, to be I need to write a method as define a method as add begin taking self and data as a parameter. New node is equal to node is equals to new node is equal to node of data. It stores the data, so that's why I using this line node data. Next, new node reference is points to the self dot head. New node new node dot reference points to the self dot head. Next, self dot head points to the new node. Self dot head points to the new node. This is all about the how to insert a element of insert a node at the beginning of the linked list. Next, I need to add SLL1 dot add begin 10 one dot add begin 20. Next, LL1 dot print LL. This is the display. I need to run this code. So the first one is linked list is empty. Next, we need to check 20, insert 10 and 20. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.